Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. And this video we're going to be looking at some challenges on the OverTheWire website. So let's just head over there to that address. So in your browser within Kali Linux, just type in OverTheWire in the search. And this is the site we want to go to, OverTheWire.org, which is OverTheWire Wargames. Just click on that. Okay, so a bit of background. Wargames can help you learn and practice security concepts. They just look like basically little small games with levels to them. So the one we're going to be doing today is Bandit. There's a bit of background here on what Bandit is. This one is aimed at absolute beginners. So it's going to teach the basics on what you need to progress with your knowledge of security. Just go ahead and have a read through this for now. I guess this is key as well. Don't panic, don't give up. If you're not sure about what you're supposed to do, there are some clues on each levels page, and I do encourage you to use Google and the available tools within Kali Linux to find the answers to these challenges. So the first one here, Bandit level 0, quite simple. All we've got to do for this level is log into the game using SSH. All the details are here on screen. So go ahead and pause this video now and just see if you can figure out how to do that. Okay, so let's have a look at the manual for SSH then. Just type man space SSH. This will bring up the interactive manual for SSH here. It tells you all the different parameters that can be used. So this one here, -p is port we're going to be using, and -l for login name. They are the two key commands we're going to be using here, as well as the address obviously. So let's just have a look down the bottom here. There's port. So the port to connect to is -p parameter, and the login name is used by using the -l parameter here. So to SSH in, we just do SSH space bandit.labs.overthewire.org space -p for port. The port we want is 2220, and then space -l for the username for this level is bandit0. I've put it in this way so that we can just easily go back and change this to bandit 1, 2, etc. as we progress. So just type that in, press enter, and then we are prompted for the password for level 0. Just go ahead and type in bandit 0, and that will connect to the OverTheWire server here. And here we are, OverTheWire. Gives you a bit of info on the games here. Any problems, just have a look at their IRC channel. Yeah, so that's level 0 complete. Let's go ahead and click on level 0 to level 1. Now this next level, the password is stored in a file called readme in the home directory. So we need to use this password to log into Bandit 1 via SSH. Now to list files and folders in the directory, simply type ls. As you can see, there's one file here called readme, and to read that file we can just do cat space readme. And there is our password for the Bandit level 0 to level 1 challenge. So let's just select this, and then right click and copy the password, and then we just want to type in here, you can either type logout or you can type exit, whichever one there. Press up on your keyboard and then just change bandit 0 to bandit 1, and we are now prompted for the bandit 1 password. So go ahead and paste that in there, and as you can see we are now logged in to the bandit 1 level. So let's have a look at level 1 to level 2 here. Okay, so similar challenge to the previous one, but this time the file is in a file name called dash, located in the home directory. There's some helpful reading material in this level here, so pause the video and just see if you can figure this out. Okay, we're back. So this is the Google help for dashed file name. I've just clicked that from the level page. It doesn't look like this page is obviously rendered correctly here, so I'm just going to go ahead and refresh this page. That's a bit better. And just scrolling down, we are looking for some advice on how to read a file with a dashed file name. So when cat sees the string dash as a file name, it treats it as a synonym for standard in, and to get around this we need to alter the string so cat sees it in a way that it still refers to a file called dash. So let me show you the two ways we can do this. So ls to list the contents of this directory, you can see the dashed file name there. If we do cat dot / dash, there is the password. And the second way we can do this is if we type in pwd to the terminal to print the working directory, and this is the directory that we're in. We can do cat space / home / bandit1 / dash, and there is the password again. So let's just go ahead and copy that. We'll just close that help page down now, and then exit or log out again. Press up on the keyboard, change bandit1 to bandit2. Press enter, and we are again prompted for the password for the next level. Just paste that in there, and now as you can see we're logged in as bandit2. Okay, so moving on, level 2 to level 3. Go ahead, have a read of this. The password is stored in a file called spaces in this file name. Again, just pause this video, see if you can figure this out yourself. There's some helpful reading material there. Okay, so let's have a look how we solve this then. In fact, let's have a look at the Google search help first for spaces in file name. So the first link here, how to type spaces in file names within the terminal. On the Ubuntu forums. Okay, so here we go, second post down, add a / before the white space. So ls, spaces in this file name is our file. So if we do cat space, then the word spaces, and then we do a /, and then if you just press tab, that will auto complete the file name there. Just press enter, and there is our password for the next level. So just copy that again, exit or log out, press up, change bandit2 to bandit3, press enter, and then just paste the password in there and press enter, and we are now logged in as bandit3. So level 3 to level 4 here. Let's have a look at this. Okay, so the password for this level is stored in a hidden file in the in here directory. So let's take a look at the contents where we are. ls, so you can see there's a directory called in here. So to change that directory, cd space in here, ls to list the contents. Nothing listed. That's because it's a hidden file, as it says. So have a look at the command you may need to solve this level. Pause the video and just come back. You can just do that by typing in man space ls. So just have a look through this these commands here, see if you can figure it out. Okay, the one we want to be using is, let's have a look. So -a will show all files, and --all. So two ways to do this. We can do ls space -a, and there we go. We can see the hidden file there. We can just do cat space .hidden to view the password. Press enter here, and there is the password. The second way we can do it is to do ls space --all, and again that will bring up the same result, and just do cat again. So we know the password there. Let's just copy that, exit or log out, change bandit3 to bandit4 here, and then we will be logged in as bandit4 when we paste it in. There we go, bandit4. So moving on to the next level, level 4 to 5. Okay, so level 4 to level 5, let's have a look at this. The password for the next level is stored in the only human readable file in the in here directory. We'll do ls, we can see the folder in here, so cd space in here, ls again to list the contents within that, and we can see these file names here. We're not going to cat each one of these, we want a method where we can just go through them quickly. So let's have a look at the file command by doing man space file. Okay, so just have a look through this. Let's see if we can see anything here that stands out. Okay, so these are all the different options and parameters we can use for the file command. Let's see if there's anything for human readable or to list all files. Okay, -L maybe. No, I don't think so. Okay, let's have a look at some examples down below. Here we are, some examples here. So file. Okay, so maybe we don't actually need any options after this. Maybe we can just do a search through the current directory. So let's try file space // to signify the current directory, if you remember from the previous levels, and then star to cycle through all files. Yeah, there we go. So as you can see, file 07 contains ASCII text. So if we do cat // file 07, and that should give us the password. Okay, so let's just copy that password there. And then again, we're going to exit or log out from this level. And then just change Bandit 4 to 5 and paste the password in, and then we are on the next level. Okay, so Bandit 5 to Bandit 6, let's have a look at this then. Okay, so what we've got here, the password for the next level is stored in a file somewhere under the in here directory. It's human readable, it's 1033 bytes in size, and it's not executable. Okay, so see if you can figure that out. Let's have a look at some commands if not. We will start off by listing the contents. We can see the in here directory. Let's change to that directory. List the contents again. Lots of folders here, lots of different other directories, so we are definitely not going to go into each directory and each file within that. So the commands we need to solve this level, looking at these, the best one seems to be the find command, so let's type in man space find to look at the manual for that command. And let's have a look at what we need to be using here. Here we go, tests. There might be something under tests here. Let's have a look at this. Yeah, here we go. This looks promising. Okay, so there's dash executable or executable. Let's see that. Okay, so we can definitely use that command. Scrolling down, let's see what else we've got. So we need something for the file type and the size. Here's the one for size, so dash size, and the C option for bytes. Okay, so that's definitely going to be useful, and the file type here we need as well, so dash type to invoke that, and F for regular file. Okay, so I think we've got everything we need to complete this level now. So if you go ahead and quit out of the manual, just press Q to quit. And then the command we need to type in is find space dot space dash type space F for regular files space dash size space 1033C for bytes, space, and then we want the exclamation mark space dash executable, so that will tell it to look for non-executable files, and then we'll just return on that. Okay, so here's one that matches our search. Let's go ahead and cat into that. So if we copy the path where that file is, and then we just do cat and then just paste that path in, press enter, and great stuff, there's our password for the next level. Okay, so this is the last level I'm going to be doing today. I'll cover the next few levels in a future video. I'm just going to go ahead and log out and just check that password is correct. Let's change that to Bandit 6. Paste that in. Yep, we are logged in to the Bandit 6 level. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I'll cover the next, say, 3 to 5 levels in a future video. Feel free to practice on your own in the meantime, and thank you very much for watching.